Hello guys, so today we're going to show you how to log into university systems. First thing you need to do is to write LSMU, and you can see LSMU Informaciones Sistemas. Here you choose the first link and student TUI. And here you can find the university systems. So the main systems that we use are the Outlook, the Office, LSMUSIS, and Moodle. The Outlook is basically your university email address. Your professors will contact you via this email address, and you will be also able to connect to Microsoft Teams. I will show you that later. The Office, this is really nice because here you have all Office programs and you have it for free from university, so you should really check it. LSMOSIS, this is the system where you can see your schedule and you can also check your grades. And of course, Moodle, your teachers will upload your material, lecture material to Moodle. So here you can see everything. We will start from LSMOSIS because that's the most basic and easy one. So here you have it. Here you have your username and password. So this is my username, and your username will be your 4 letters of your name, your first name, then 4 letters of your surname, 2 numbers of your birth months, and then 2 numbers of your birthday. And your password will be 4 letters of your name, then 4 letters of your surname, and 4 numbers of your birth year. Everything I just said is also written here, so you can read that if you want. And pay attention not to use capital letters and only use Latin letters. Another thing I wanted to mention is if you have also a second or third name, then sometimes it doesn't work with the first name. So try to switch and see, maybe it's the second name. Another thing is after you first log in, the system will ask you to change your password. So we should do that. And this is how it looks. If I want to see my schedule, I go to here. And then it appears. It appears here. And if I want to navigate, I just click next and I can see my next week and so on. If I want to see my grades, I go to here. And then I choose academic record. And here I can choose the year I want to see, and then my grades will appear. Now we will see how to log into Moodle, which is basically the same as for LSMOSIS. So you will have the same username and the same password. And this is how it looks. So here I go to my courses, and at the moment I can see I only have 2 courses, but this will change and be updated soon. Now I will show you how to log in into your Outlook account. This one is a little bit different than the other 2. Here it just remembers my username, but I will show you how to log in from beginning. So here you need to use your username. your username would be your university email address. Your university email address for all of you is your name and surname, 4 letters and 4 letters, then your birth month, your birthday, 2 digits, digits, and then eta.lt. That's the same for everybody. And then you need to enter your password. So your password would be the same as for LSMUSIS, the same password for Moodle. It would be the same password for the Outlook as well. It just asked me if I want to stay connected to my account. And this is how it looks. This is the Outlook. Here you can see your emails from university you get from your professors, from the dean or everybody. And this is how it looks. If I go here, I can see all my other features of Outlook. So I have the Office programs. Also from here, I can access them. So I have the Word, I have Excel, I have PowerPoint, and so on. And I also have Microsoft Teams. So when you are going to have an online class, it is going to be from Teams. You can log into Teams from the Outlook, as you see here. You just click on it and it will appear on the browser. Something I would recommend you to do is to download Microsoft Teams into your computer. I think that might be better than to use it from your browser. Yeah, this is how it looks. It looks a little bit different than here. Oh, then if I would show it how it looks on my computer, but on my computer, the first thing that opens is this page. So basically I can see all the classes. And then I just click on one and join. And yeah, that's basically it. And I hope that was useful. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask us, and have a good day.